11 Singapore companies have signed agreements to offer products and services in Liaoning, China. They will focus on areas such as manufacturing and research, hotels and commercial facilities. The agreements were signed during the 10th Singapore-Liaoning Economic and Trade Council meeting.
It was co-chaired by Environment and Water Resources Minister Masagos Zulkifli and the Governor of Liaoning. And in recent years, the Liaoning government has invested in several projects to boost economic growth. The Shunfu New Area has been developed to focus on industries such as smart manufacturing and fintech.
Singapore companies can offer services in healthcare and education to meet the needs of the town's growing population. The Liaoning Free Trade Zone is a project that enhances the province's connectivity, and this offers opportunities for Singapore companies across logistics, manufacturing and e-commerce.